Hey guys, and welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing these easy refill and seal kit. This one here allows you to refill your Nespresso pods. You get 100 of these refillable aluminum foils. Alright, so right here we've got our easy refill and seal kit. So they offer in two options. You can do the seal holder plus 100 lids and the scoop, or you can opt for the 100-piece aluminum foils by themselves. So this is where you can refill your aluminum pods. Unfortunately, it doesn't come with the bottom piece. These are just the top aluminum piece. You get 100 aluminum foil seals. It's a dual-ended brush of power filling the compacting and smart seamless filling the base. You have to buy those separately. Those are the bottom portion of the pods. So this one right here is just basically the top part to help you seal the top part with the aluminum. It has no obstructions to the barcode recognition. You can put any coffee flavor in these. I like the fact that you do get a scoop, and here at the bottom you can scoop down the coffee. So that is a part you scoop down your coffee, and then you do get the 100 of the pods. These are a really nice inventive way to have refilling your coffee without actually having to purchase any pods. It is 15 seconds, seal a new pod. It's faster and easy. You can enjoy your own coffee. No need for sweeping messy grounds, no need for sealing the edges. It has a precise align for lighting, fast, perfect sealing. It is match and reliable lids. It protects machines, so it works with any machines that take these sort of pods. These are high efficient filling and tamping. You fill it, it's 2-in-1. You put your grains in there, you tap it at the bottom, and then you seal it. This one's a super nice one. So this is what you get in the kit. So this is where you would put the bottom portion of your pod, which is this right here. That is not included. This is just the top part. These are the sealing for the top. You do get 100 of them. So if you purchase the bottom part separately, you can make 100 pods out of this. This is super nice. This right here is reusable. You can use it. It's got a 2-in-1 multi-function design, perfect for tamping. Easy grab and fill. It saves time. It prevents any splatter. So if you're looking for a coffee refill, I would say definitely check this one out.